Hey guys, welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I want to show how to cook pumpkin chicken curry. Now, let's cook together. Firstly, prepare all ingredients we need. Then, put all ingredients into the pan, chicken and all spice. Add some oil, pumpkin, a bit of water and mix everything well. And let it cook until the chicken is fully cooked and the pumpkins become soft and tasty. Finally, add some green chili and switch off the heat. Now it's ready to eat. It's so delicious and the taste is very nice. Thanks for watching.